Hi guys, I'm Jennifer Ornelas. I'm with our membership team. I'm here today to go over our membership and our online tools. Come on with me. Today we're going to go over the members.atra.com login. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click member login. You're going to put in your email and your password to get logged in. So this is what your screen should look like to know you're correctly logged in and have everything. So we have a couple of things on here. We have our marketplace, which is our books, technical seminar, our powertrain products chapter events. You can click with all. You can also search here, break it down by the tabs, whichever you would like. We have our books. These are our hard copies. And further down, you'll see the PDFs. So you can do either or. The hard copies will get mailed to you. The PDFs are automatically placed on your account. And to get to those, you can go to your downloads. And this is where your PDFs will be. So as soon as you purchase a PDF, they're available online in your account immediately. So going back here, we also have Fuel. This is where you can do all of your online training. Now, when you first log into Fuel, it's not going to look like this. It's going to be a black screen, and it's going to give you an option to click with join with ATRA. It's going to be a little pink tab. You're going to click join with ATRA. It kind of seems tricky, like if you're going to sign up for another membership, but you're not. So you just click with join with ATRA. Then you're going to enter in your first name, your last name, and your phone number and hit continue. And then from there, it's going to take you to this screen. This is what your Fuel is going to look like. And it is going to have you where you can enter in interest, what you're interested in. There is a lot of stuff on here. Some of it may seem silly, but mental health, motivation stuff is very good. Meditation, you never know. If you just need a woosah for a day. If you go into library, you could go into ATRA courses, and this is where everything is. ATRA courses, ATRA lessons. And so this is where all your videos will be. So there's a variety of stuff that you can look through and go through. All of these can be assigned. If you would like any lessons done for any of the guys that work with you in your shop, they can all have their own account. All we would need is their first, last name, and their personal email, so we can get that account set up for them. They can go online and do courses. You can assign courses to them, and everything will be done through here. You can add as many people as you would like. There's not a limit. That's no additional charge. All right, guys, so when you're at our home screen, we put up notifications up if we're going to be closed or anything. So you'll see that right up at the top. You'll scroll down to our ATRA community calendar, and we'll have notifications on here. This is a really great resource to have. This is notification for when our e-newsletter will be sent out. So this is a really great resource. Right here also for our technical seminars, we'll have a whole list posted. We're currently working on everything for 2026. So as soon as everything is ready and good to go, we'll have a whole list here of where they're going to be located and the dates, and you can click on those to get additional information. If you guys need to get in contact with us, you can email us membership@atra.com. Technical service is going to be kclark@atra.com, and that will be Keith. Events will be seminars@atra.com. Powertrain Expo @atra.com. Gears Magazine, gears@atra.com. ATRA Bookstore @atra.com. You can also contact us by phone number at 805-604-2000.
Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to thank you for your time. If you have any questions or concern, just give us a call. With our email or our phone number is the best way to get in touch with us, and we'll see you later. Thank you for your time.
Well guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this orientation. My name is Lance Wiggins, CEO of ATRA, L. Wiggins at ATRA, and then a phone number of 805-604-2034. If you have any questions about anything that ATRA has to offer you, please feel free to reach out and contact us. From the largest transmission association in the world, welcome to ATRA.